Hi, Liam. What are you doing? What you got there? Oh, you got a camera case, don't you? Yeah, keep on riding, Liam. You don't want to ride anymore? What's that face for? What's that face for? Yeah. Oh, I know. You want the camera, don't you? Hi. You gonna say hi to Grandma? You gonna say hi, Grandma? Hi, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Yeah. You say hi, Grandma. Woo, where are we going? Oh. Okay.